CMR College of Engineering and Technology. I am Rasegna from CSM department. This is our project automatic vegetable peeler, which is used for peeling of the vegetables automatically. When we connect this
project is automatic vegetable peeler, and nowadays people are so busy in their works and doing their work. For example, peeling of vegetables in their home, it takes more time and time. As we see, peeling the vegetables are time-taking process. It takes more and more time when we peel off by using normal vegetable peeler. For overcoming this, we have created this one named called automatic vegetable peeler. For rest of the details, our teammates will be.
Hi, I'm Naveen. My project title is Automatic Vegetable Peeler. Existing solutions of our project are normal vegetable peeler, electric vegetable peeler, and electric orbital vegetable peeler. And gaps in the existing solutions are the time consumption is more, and they are used manually and electrical, and they cannot work automatically.
As my teammate explained about the gaps in existing solutions, we proposed this solution which is called as automatic vegetable peeler. When we insert a vegetable or peeler here, then it will work automatically. And our methodology is to create a machine. It will consume more. It will not consume more time. And actually save our time. Actually we spend a lot of time on peeling of vegetables. So to use this machine, we can do our work, another work. We need not to spend a lot of time on this machine. So and it being proposed this in a low cost, and also it is fully automatical. When we switch on the
This is Sandeep, and materials required in this project are DC motor. DC motor is used to rotate the vegetable and to rotate the rod to help the movement of the blade, and wooden blocks. Wooden blocks are used to cover the equipment. Next, MS rod. MS rod is used to take support, and PVC pipe is also used to take support of the blade. And switch to turn on the machine. Batteries to give power, and screws. And ultrasonic sensor to know the position of the wooden plank.
Everyone, my name is Anil Reddy. I am from CSMC Team 10. Now I am going to explain about the working and the process of this machine. We used to place the vegetable over here, and the vegetable or fruit will rotate automatically, which is connected to the motor. And when we switch on the circuit, machine, it will this MS rod will automatically rotates, and it will make a translated motion in up and down direction, so that it will peel the fruit. It will peel the fruit which is placed on this motor. With the help of this servometer, we can log the choose the how much depth we need to peel the fruit. So we use ultrasonic sensor to use and we use ultrasonic sensor to detect the height of the blade, which means if the height is above 4 centimeters, it will automatically come down. The translated motion is in downward direction. When the height of this blade if less than 4, it will automatically goes in a reverse direction, so it will go up. So we use this mechanism to peel and with this mechanism we will peel the fruit.
Project. Finally, by using these machine, we can save our time. When we place the fruit or vegetable here, it will peel automatically, so that we can do other work in our daily uses or daily needs. We need not to see is it peeling or not. And DC motors are used to movement of PVC pipe and also MS rod, and also it is used to rotate the fruit or vegetable. And here these DC motor is used the upper movement of peeler. So